anti-phishing tool using machine learning. So this is the about us page. It will give the complete information about project. Anti-phishing is a desktop-based application. This is the contact us page where you can enter the details. Okay, these are the three buttons. Like click on what is phishing button. That will give the complete information about phishing. Let's click on home button. Now, if we click on the chat with chatbot, then chatbot will open. Okay, this is the chatbot interface where you can change the color theme or enter the text like hello. Bot will reply the hello. This is the clear text where it will delete all the chats. If you say hi, and you can also enable or disable the voice output. Like if you write hi,
Hi.
the bot will reply with the voice output. You can also change the date. It will give the calendar features like what is phishing. Then the bot will reply. Okay, it will give the complete description about the phishing. Okay, if you enter the any URL, then the bot will detect that this is a phishing website or not. This project developed using Python language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface, predict the legitimate website. Okay, just close it. Now, this is the phishing page. If you click on the web surfing with filter, then you can enter the URL in the browser. Then model will predict that this is a phishing website or not. So model will load and it will open the browser. No phishing detected in the YouTube. Now I'm just entering the phishing page URL. Detect the phishing detected. Prevent this page from the creating additional dialogues. Okay, just click on OK button. Now close this page. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.